Are live, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a live stream. Jomo, what's up here? What's up?
Man, all good over here. It's nighttime, getting ready to sleep, but things are looking interesting because you know what? Tomorrow is a huge day where, the Fed is going to announce the interest rate, right? And, me and you, we've seen this coming from a mile away. You know, we took some positions which are good, but a word of caution, tomorrow can be volatile, right? Tomorrow can be volatile. So we're going to make sure our audience today knows that. But before we dive into it, because we're waiting for everyone to kind of smooth in, you see this, CM?
What?
I have a nose strip, man.
Who punched you?
Man, no punch. This helps me breathe. Man,
The nose stripe. It's good shit. It's good shit. I use
man,
it
it's
as well.
amazing. You
It's
use it?
really good. It's really good. You
Man,
should
it's
use it when you go to sleep.
yeah.
And then also if you can use a mouth tape, that's even gonna send you to the moon. But yeah, man.
That's the next step. That's the next step, man. But for now, at least I'm breathing, man. I wasn't aware that I'm breathing like 70% out of 100%, man. Now I'm like at 90 at least. It's
Yeah,
game
man.
changer.
Yeah,
Game
yeah, it's
changer.
good. It's good stuff. It's very good
Y-
for crypto traders as well, because of the stress, so they can breathe a little bit. Guys, everybody in the house, drop a like, share it, and tell us where you from in this amazing world. Woohoo!
Yes. Drop a comment and hype us if you can. Hey, look, see, man, we got a boxing a boxing stalker in the chat, man. Man, that's funny. People are funny, man. He's all over me about saying that Crawford ran like a bitch. Man, you have zero idea about your boxing, Mr. Delta Ghost. You have no idea about boxing. I'm sorry, but hey, this is not a boxing show, so we're gonna leave it at that for now. Gonna leave it at that for now. What else do we have? We're getting some people saying hi. We're seeing some people from South Africa. That's nice, CMA, South Africa.
Man,
Hey.
let's talk about the elephant in the house. We have a
Yes.
dollar
Yes.
dumping, and that's usually amazing for crypto and gold.
Yes.
Uh, but again, this time of the year, like last cycle when you had the dollar getting wrecked after the COVID, you know, all the strength came to crypto. Now it looks like many are flying into gold, because gold is actually a risk, a low risk asset, or the safe asset, kind of, you
Safe
know
haven.
safe haven asset, the real one. Bitcoin is a pump and dump. It's, a lot of clowns think it's a safe haven, but it's not. It's a risk on asset, and it will collapse once the stock market will trigger a recession or a bear market. So the dollar is dumping now. Now we're gonna see tomorrow, is it going to continue dumping, and will the markets will rip on it? Now, let's look on Bitcoin a little bit. You can see on that candle of the dollar, bit getting wrecked. Bitcoin is not really, flying. Okay, in this kind of a sell-off on the dollar, you should see a Bitcoin 5% candle minimum. Uh, so it's not really wow, but I'm watching this level. I'm watching this level. If it can clear that level, the Bitcoin hold above this level, we might see the blow of top starting from here, and it's just gonna go off to the races. And yeah, this could be very, very nice. We'll see.
Yeah.
Waiting for the Fed, man. Waiting for the Fed.
Yeah, well, the Fed is tomorrow, man. And actually, the debate now is whether we're going to get a 25 basis point rate cut or a 50 basis point rate cut. Tomorrow should be really interesting, man. Really, really interesting. And just to make sure people understand what you're saying, CM, okay? Because look, it has more to it, okay? But what you're saying basically is that the last time the dollar got cooked was kind of here, okay? This was kind of with the COVID top, and then it went all the way back down. While it was going down, So we had the real bull market on Bitcoin, and then we were just kind of topping until the dollar strength came in, which was, right about here. And then we kind of topped, of course, on Bitcoin and went down. So the thing, why we're watching the DXY, why we're watching the dollar is because we appreciate the fact that once the dollar loses value, you know, other assets appreciate, okay, versus the dollar, okay? That's one thing. And second thing is that all the huge investors that put their money in money markets to receive, kind of easy quote unquote percentages based on, whether or not they're just putting it in the money markets or, with bonds and whatever, their dollar value is going down. Even though they're getting like like an interest rate, the value is going down of the dollar. So they need to find something else to put their money in, and usually that's risk assets, okay? And we had a top in this cycle of the dollar kind of here, and ever since we're kind of going down. But this is going to be the first time, CM, that we're going to go to where it really matters, okay? And where it really matters is below the 96. Every time we go below the 96, that's where we have like a pump in Bitcoin and the crypto. So we need to go below this area, and let's see what happens with tomorrow. Anything can happen, right? We need to really make sure we understand, tomorrow's event, an outcome, because whether we like it or not, the market can decide to go each side. We can have a sell in the news event all of a sudden, right? So we need to be wary. We need to be careful. Risk management in mind. Of course, we're positioned, but always with risk management in mind. CM. That's my take. But hey, we had a few beautiful. We had a beautiful week with a few coins that we were trading, pumping, like pump, the pump coin itself. OG coin. We had some very interesting coins doing over 100%. So that was very nice. And yeah, we're still waiting to see what's going to happen tomorrow. So let's see what happens tomorrow.
Guys, do us a favor, like the video, leave a comment. Please, we need your likes and support now because we are coming from a bearish YouTube environment and we need your support to come back to the realm of beauty and unicorns. So please give us some love, subscribe. We're going to look on your comments now and we're going to wrap it up, man. We're fucking tired. KASPA TA, let's look on KASPA. Let's look on KASPA Cas. For this guy, sir, smash the like. We're looking on your KASPA crap. Look, KASPA is crap, okay? KASPA is absolute crap. Below this trend line, I've been said it 1,000 times pretty much since like December. I said it 1,000 times. Below this trend line, below the 50-week MA, you have nothing to look for in KASPA crap. It doesn't matter what they tell you. Oh, the smart contract, the meme coin, all bunch of crap, toxic garbage. You're losing time, you're losing money, you're losing opportunity for being in KASPA while other coins are doing that. KASPA is doing that rubbish. And you're down, 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 down. So really, if you cannot understand the fact that this thing is cooked below the 50-week MA, you need to call the doctor or somebody with the white rope. What else do we have here?
Man,
The
Marcel
guy from
Humphreys,
South
man.
Africa.
Oh man, South Africa. He has like they have a beautiful accent. I used to be in Swaziland for a while when I was younger. So, Marcel, cheers from South Africa, man. Swaziland, all the way.
Mr. Rod is the Miami gangster. Yo, 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 yo. Hey, Jomo, how are you, Mr. John?
What's up, John?
John is your lifetime member.
Indeed, indeed,
Want to
indeed.
look on Pepe and Momo on Sol.
Ooh, man, you're coming all straight. Look, first of all, whenever you want to know something, you can ask me and I will do it, and I will cover it also in the market updates, John, right? But let's cover a little bit. CM, you want to start, man, with Pepe?
Yeah, sure. I'm on it. I'm gonna do it. Let's look on Pepe. Look, Pepe is a bunch of crap as well. Below the 50 week, not good. I actually watching it, I'm watching it. If it's actually above it 200, but still in a chop city. This is chop city. Once
Yeah.
it come up above this area, I will be interested. Above this area, maybe if it will build something here, I might be interested. But again, I will be very interested here and above this area, absolutely above the 1640 ish, right here. That swing high of May 25. The That's Pepe. The Momo on Sol, that's Momo, I think, USDT, no?
Yeah.
Momo USDT. Well, now it's making a little move after a nice kind of bottom. But again,
The volume is only $100,000
crap,
though.
crap, crap. Momo, all these crap meme coins with the low volume. Uh, stay away, Mr. John. You're a lifetime member. Don't be a clown. Everything you need, ask Jomo. If you want to ape into your meme coin that your neighbor told you, or to buy or look at, that is gonna change the world, man. Just ask Jomo, okay?
Yeah,
Don't
man.
don't buy crap. Don't buy crap because
Exactly.
there is so much crap to buy in this Ponzi market that it's unbelievable, Jomo. And
Exactly.
all these people waiting for their coins to pump, and we just talked about it. I just told you today, hey, we have another 10, 20 new coins now today. Like,
Every day.
every day they print and print and print and print and print. And this is inflation. You have inflations of coins, and that's the reason why this cycle is so tough for the newbies or for the hodlers that buy cooked coins. And they ask themselves, hey, how come my coin is still cooked for the last 2 years? Well, they've been printing already 20,000 coins since your coin topped. That's why it's not getting any liquidity. That's sad, but it is there. It is what it is, man. And people gonna lose everything, man. They are losing everything right now.
Yeah, man. Look, John, I appreciate you a lot. Always ask me questions. You can, on WAP, on Telegram, just come, ask me those questions and I will be sure to answer those. But hey, I agree with CM's analysis right now. And also, John, we have beautiful trades on right now, right? That are actually moving. They're moving to new highs, showing like big relative strength. Those are the trades we want to be in, not the ones that used to be a leader in the past. We want current leaders, and a lot of new coins are actually pumping really nice and strong. So John, send me those messages. By the way, CM, you missed someone. There's a dude over here. He said that Crawford put on a clinic. Exactly. Hey, look who it is. The Alchemist, man. Wait, what's up, man? Haven't seen you in a while. How are you feeling? Feeling well. The Alchemist is another lifetime member. Send me an Instagram, Telegram message, man, and we'll, hook up again. Ask me all you want to know over there. He's a VIP member. Love him. What else we got? Kevin saying, hey, what's up, Kevin? By the way, people, smash the like button, comment, tell us where you're from, ask beautiful questions, help us, push this, YouTube show further, because we got some smacked around from YouTube. It doesn't like a lot of crypto, people trying to say good things, actually, with integrity over here. So it's kind of odd. So push it, and also consider giving us a super chat. Ask a beautiful question, give a super chat. We will answer it first in line.
Let's talk Zebek. This is a Zebek video as well. So yeah, show them the Zebek chart. Look at Zebek, man. This is Zebek.
It's building.
It's building. Yeah, it's building. But if tomorrow there is a dump on Bitcoin, you know what will happen to Zebek?
Yeah.
Zebek will go havoc. It's gonna get cooked again. But it if it can remain, But Zebek actually can perform when Bitcoin is slutty. You know what I mean? When Bitcoin is, it actually was performing very well when Bitcoin was rubbish. So I will give it the benefit of the doubt. I will give it. We'll let him show me if it can hold here, push higher and break out. Boy, oh boy, it's gonna be amazing trade. But if we get a dump tomorrow with Bitcoin and it pulled back, it can definitely come down to to do a double bottom here or to the 200-day MA at around the 30. Can definitely come back to, can also go lower. It's a crypto. You know what we say, Jomo. There is insane hype on Zebek. It reminds me the hype on KASPA. Back in the days, every time these coins pumping and going nuclear, and everybody covering them, and you have all the new YouTubers, the new clowns that you never saw in your life. Like these 18-year-old with pimples from their basements, suddenly getting huge views, suddenly doing market analysis. Just finished high school, the guy opening you the trading view. Oh, look at the stochastic RSI. Look at this, la la la. This clown was just finishing milking his mommy's nipple last week, and he's now coming and preaching to an 80, 70, 60-year-old man that actually watching. This is pathetic as well, that the people that watch this, they are in serious trouble.
They are the problem. They are the problem.
It's more concerning. They are more concerning this than the clown on the YouTube. Anyway, once you see all these people come, after the blow off top, there was a blow off top. It's actually a very, very red flag signal. And we saw it on KASPA, we saw it on Turbo, we saw it on many coins, on XCN, your favorite crook, what's his name?
The Caesar dude.
Caesar, the clown.
The crook.
Was covering it after it exploded 500,000x, So all these people covering these coins when it's very hypey, top signal. But I'm bullish on ZBCN. I'm expecting more upside, but I'm not holding it because there is risks. There are risks, my friend. There are risks.
One of the main risks, CM, that we don't like is opportunity cost, right? We don't like to sit on something while other things are actually making money. Remember, guys, what we preach is we date them, we don't marry them. Okay, so we just want to be making money, at all times and not just sit on coins. Okay. By the way, Love the X is asking about Mito, CM. I already have the chart, so let me go for it. So Mito is a new coin, all right? I can see it's a few exchanges. I like this chart specifically from Mexi, but the thing, and he's asking, is this one a crap coin, Mito? So definitely it's a crap coin. First of all, because it's everything that is new and you don't have enough data on, you can consider crap. And actually, CM and I, we're main advocates that all cryptos are actually craptos, okay? So everything is crap. Why? Because if you go with the mindset, oh, crypto is beautiful, the coins are beautiful, everything is amazing, you'll fall in love with a coin. And you don't want that, right? You want to make sure that you don't fall in love with anything. You want to date them, not marry them, right? So this is a new coin. And as you see, new coins, they can be so volatile. So this in one day made a 90% move, and on the next day gave it all back. So this is high volatility, huge volatility. Some traders, maybe scalpers, I don't know, man. They might be working on this and making a little bit of money, but that's not our edge. We work on something that blast off, create somewhat of a trend of a couple of days, sometimes a couple of weeks, and you can actually work with it. Okay, you can work with it, and it doesn't give it all the way back. Okay, so is it crap? Yes, for sure. Everything is crap. Is it something that you can trade right now? Definitely not. Okay. In order for you to trade this, because again, we are price action traders. We don't look at the fundamentals. I don't know what this coin even is. Okay. I don't really care. Usually I don't really care. I just care about the price action, the volume, whether I have a low risk entry and a defined risk where I can just get out at small risk if I'm wrong. Okay. In this instance, not seeing any of these. Okay. So I hope this answers the questions, Mr. Love the X. So far, this is not something that interests me or my edge.
Rubbish. KASPA crap. Yes, sir. That's the spirit, my friend. It was a legend. Now it's a dead man. It's a dead man, man. These coins, man, they are like NBA superstars of the past, KASPA was Larry Bird. Now you put Larry Bird, LeBron eat his head and chew it and fuck you, motherfucker. You know what I mean? They are old legends, Dump them, rubbish. Always look for the next LeBron.
Exactly.
Yo, I'm from Miami. Hey, yeah, to be hey, lad, to be exact. I'm in the Bronx. Oh, yo, bro. Bronx. Zebek bullish news this week. Yay. News, yay. What news? What news? News are not good, man. News usually are crap. There are always sell on the news. There is always sell on the news, man. Thank you, guys. Always good to hear professional. We'll talk with Jomo. Cheers, mate. It is Crypto John, Crypto Galaxy, and Archie Boy calling Momo to go to a runner, sir. Well, maybe it's gonna pump, but it's a lady boy's coin. When you have 100K total volume on a coin, when I take a trade and move the market, if I take a 5K trade and market order a coin and move it, it's a garbage coin. It's absolute dog shit. You're muted.
How am I muted? You're saying three supposed like influencers that have big money because, like, look, they're big YouTubers. They are trying to pump a coin that has $100,000 in volume. That is complete ludicrousy. And you know what this is? This shows me exactly that these people
Snake oils.
they exactly they don't even buy the coin, okay? Or they bought like $10 on it. I have no idea because there's zero probability that someone with a decent account size, above $100,000, $500,000 and above, can buy any of these, even 50,000 and above, because it will move the market. You will move the market alone. And that's very bad because you'll just be, a whale on yourself on a small, coin. You move it up, you want to sell, you move it down, you will lose too much, all right? So the fact that they're pumping it and it has such low volume just means, okay, that there's lying, from their nostrils, man. I just hate that. Those are the people that I think are ruining, the name of crypto trading, and because they just have no idea, man. What's that? What do you want to say? Just
they all going to the poorhouse, man.
For sure.
The clock is ticking now. The sentence, the angel of death is waiting for them just after the Bitcoin top. Talking about November, I think the angel of death will sentence them to death.
With all honesty, CM, the reality is that if they really invested, they already got smoked. Okay, if they actually did what they say they do, right, on their channels, buying this, buying that, moving from KASPA, dude, they lost huge amount of sums because they just, everything that they were talking about from a liquidity standpoint just went down 40, 50, and 60%. Those people, just be aware of those. What else do we have? We have Mr. Protagonist, man. Look what he's saying, man.
Looks like a bot, man. Looks like a bot. It's a bot.
He's talking about IOTA.
It's a bot, man. It's a bot. It's a chat GPT for sure, man.
John, man.
Sell KASPA for Zebek.
Wait a minute, Sam. We have John over here, our lifetime member. He's saying BNB just triggered, man. Hey, we already triggered a couple of days ago, John. Talk to me because this is being late, okay? We triggered a couple of days, almost a week ago already on BNB. So chat with me. I want to see where you're at, okay?
You guys are awesome. Thank you for your honesty. Thank you, Franklin Portorial. This Zoro is saying sell KASPA for Zebek. Well, I'm agreeing with you. If you have to hold something, if you are a man that have to hold this little PPPP coin, much better hold Zebek. 100%, man. KASPA is KRASPA. I don't see the super chat, y'all. It's on Jomo channel. On my channel, there is no super chat because they hate me. Go to Jomo channel if you want a super chat, Mr. X. Go to Jomo channel. Jomo, drop him the link to your channel in the chat so he can go to your channel. It's hard to find.
Yeah, man. It's the no edge, no trade. But yeah, I'm gonna do it now, man. Look, this is the fact that YouTube is harassing you, man. That's bad, man. Hey, they started harassing me also, man. That's not nice. Not nice, man. But hey,
No,
it
no,
is
no,
what it is.
but we like YouTube. We love YouTube.
Of
We
course,
love you.
for
We love
sure.
YouTube. We love them. Uh, WFTC, Swift
What's
coin,
that coin, man?
rubbish probably. XCN will do very well.
Oh my
XCN,
God, the Swift coin. Oof.
XCN will do very well. Probably, but don't count on it. Don't count on it, man. Let's look on XCN. Let's look on this rubbish. Where is this stuff? No, it's not rubbish. It's nice coin. It's a nice coin. Take a clean chart here. Tiki tiki Mexi. Well, man, it is kind of cooked. You see that? I marked it. Below this level, it is cooked, sir. Cooked. See that level? You don't want to touch it because it can go sideways here or down, down, down. Remember, this thing already had an insane 2025, January 2025. It had a 50x or something, sorry, a 20x. It had a 20x in 2 weeks. So it could be cooked. Okay, remember, last cycle, few coins did 3 complete, bull runs. This cycle, most coins doing only 1 or 2. You see, you get it. You saw it, Jomo. They're doing only 1. Most coins doing only 1 cycle, like a bull run. It is
Exactly.
pathetic. It's
pathetic, man.
Crypto is repulsive. It's like, I don't understand how people invest in this market. How can you invest in the Ponzi? Like, how can you be so naive? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, hey, Mr. Love for X just gave you $5, Jomo. So
appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the tip, man. Always good. Come on, people, send the tips so we can buy a baby some, some trading toys or something.
Jomo used the same diaper over and over again for his baby because he got cooked this cycle. So if you don't mind, drop him some super chats so he can buy his baby more diapers, fresh diapers. Please, thank you.
That's funny. But they will think I'm a very bad dad now, CM.
No, man. When I will have a baby, I will throw it in the garden. I will wipe his ass with the sand.
With the sand.
Just
water, sprinkle water, man.
And water and like gasoline.
Just toughen him up. Come
on, man.
All the babies today are growing into a very weak world. So they want to tough it up, man.
Oh yeah, my baby gonna eat spanks, and I'm gonna throw him, man. Oh boy, my boy is gonna cry. He's gonna cry a lot, man. He's gonna cry a lot. He's gonna stop it, daddy.
That's funny, man. That's man. I'll be honest, man. My son, man. He's so sweet, man. I fucking love him. So, look at this. It's Pajik Penguins, man. Franklin. Yeah, it's actually a good coin, man. Good coin. Good pick, man. Good pick. Keep watching it.
We look at it, but please, we need your likes, guys. We need your likes for YouTube to know that, hey, we have some audience and they like the videos. If you're not liking the videos, YouTube look at it and then, oh, these clowns, maybe better shut them off, So remember, guys, we need your likes. Our future is in your little cheeky fingers. It's so easy. You take your stupid mouse and you click on the like button just under the video. Just click like this. And that's it. That's all we want. A like. All we want in our lives is a like.
Give CM the like, ladies and gentlemen. He deserves it. He deserves it. Actually, if you can click on hype, because there's a new thing that says hype, do that for us. Hype us, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, What else we got here? Let's do a couple more, questions and wrap this up for the day because, it's getting late.
Yeah. Wrap it up. Let's look on Pengu. Pengu actually is on my radar as well.
For sure.
It looks like it's building here. Could be, but remember tomorrow rate cuts. Maybe it will do that. All right. So you never know. I will let it build before I'm buying. I'm not buying. I'm not a hodler. I'm waiting for an edge. At the moment, there is no edge in Pengu, and I'm waiting for the edge to present itself in the chart. Then I'm gonna buy, and all the members gonna buy. By the way, join our VIP. Link below, guys. Join our VIP. What else do we have here? You guys make any money off AVNT? No, man. We don't trade these new pump and dump coins that coming out of nowhere because it's untradeable for me. And just no, man. No.
Look, the question begs to say something over here, CM. Look, when he asks us if we make money out of something, it's kind of trying to figure out if we can make money out of thin air like we're superhuman people, right? That's not how trading works. Trading works of being disciplined and having an edge. If you have an edge, you know what you're looking for. You understand the markets, okay? You just need to execute with precision over and over again, okay? That's the discipline part, because what you're presenting over here, coin AVNT, is a new coin coming out of nowhere, as CM said, had no edge, zero edge, just came in and is going up every day, okay? So you have no low risk entry. You just aped in, and that is a problem in trading, CM. Sometimes people get into a coin, they buy out of thin air, but it continues up, right? And they sell, they feel like they're a genius, they made profit and whatever. But the thing about it, that it's not repeatable. Whenever you have something that you've done once and it's not repeatable, that's where you can get into trouble, okay? That's not even the daily, CM. What is that, like that? The 4 hourly?
Yeah. I'm just looking on this scam. Well, look, this scam just went up in like few days, 600%. Actually, the other chart was bigger even, I think. The Bybit chart, where is the Bybit chart? Show you the Bybit chart.
I think it's the same.
No, just to show you, I think I saw a 10x. You see here from this low, you see here, there is this low, the cheeky low here. All right, so it went above the $1 mark. Now it's at the $1 mark, you see? Anyway, it's up a ton, let's say 10x. All right, from its birth. And you can imagine this shit probably is diluted as fuck, and people bought it like the tenth of this price it was listed. All right, so expect distribution to hit the market on this crap. And just like you said, man, people are aping into a new coin, and then they're gamblers. They don't have any plan. They're not taking any profit. So once it's gonna do that, they're gonna sell in a loss, or they're just gonna hold it, But anyway, they have no trading strategy, no plan, and they doomed to fail. They are all baboons chasing bananas, And then the bananas turn around and the banana is up in their bum holes, So, oh my God, what happened here? Oh, the coin cooked you. Oh no, why? No strategy, no risk management.
Exactly, it's a strategy point, right? So look, if this dude made a little bit of money on AVNT, I salute him. Way to go, book that profits and move on to the next one. But try to figure out some principles, some tactics and a strategy that will help you do this over and over again, okay? Because that's what trading is all about. Matt Adam, man, is saying that we should never change, and he always looks forward to our insightful craziness. Thank you very much,
Matt Adam. Sir. Share it with your friends and family. Bring them over to the channels. Bring them to our X. By the way, follow us on X, guys. On Crypto Mindset 4, that's my handle. And on, what's your handle, Jomo?
What? No edge, no trade.
No edge, no trade. All right. And don't send diapers, guys. No diapers, man. Get a good trade, sir. I don't have a diaper to wear myself, holding KASPA all this time since it stopped. Oh man. Oh man, Mr. The one primed.
The one primed.
The one primed for the poor house. That's the new name. The one primed for the poor house. KASPA cooked me. I'm done. But hey, cheer up, man. One day we believe KASPA will shine, and maybe it will shine in October. Maybe it will shine soon, man. It could shine. We expect Bitcoin at some point to make another leg up to complete the blow off top, and KASPA should follow. So make sure to distribute your KASPA crap coins before Bitcoin is finishing, because you know what's going to happen to it after Bitcoin would trigger a bear. What happened to it now is nothing comparing to what will happen when Bitcoin would trigger a bear. KASPA is going to die, almost. Like short term, it will die, then it will resurrect. But that's what happened to them. They are dying 2 years in a row, going sideways, flatline. They are in the hospital, under the bed, under the sheet, flatline in a coma, and then after they wake up, man, and then they start a rally, and then the doctor come and boom, smack them back to another coma of 2 years.
Man. That's crypto for you, man. And people don't believe us, CM. Each time we say it over and over again, and people just don't believe us. But hey, it's like a teenager. People need to learn for themselves. They need to get smacked over and over until they, actually understand that all coins are just craptos. You want to trade them, you want to make money on them, and once they stop making you money, you want to ditch them. That's all. Date them, don't marry them. Hey, Nico, what's up?
Nico, where is your $2 for Jomo? Send some $2, two nickels for Jomo.
for the diapers.
Come on, man. Send some $2, man. Where is the dollar? This guy want IVAX, and this guy asking on the XCN again. So look, I'm gonna just do it, and we're gonna wrap it up. Let's look on AVAX. I'm bullish on AVAX. But I'm bullish on AVAX. I actually have a trade.
Yeah, we have a trade.
It looks nice. It actually looks nice. It looks like it's building here. Kind of a flag again, all up to tomorrow with the Bitcoin crap. Bitcoin pump, AVAX pump. Bitcoin dump, AVAX very likely to dump. But I believe AVAX will have a very strong move after Bitcoin continue, when Bitcoin continue or chop sideways, because it looks like it's in a breakout now.
Yeah, for sure it's in a breakout. We took the trade on the breakout. Yeah, for sure.
In a breakout now. The question is, what happened tomorrow? The guy with XCN, I told it before, man. My opinion on XCN is don't touch this crap under this level at the moment. Okay, it might be a good trade later. What the fuck? What the F is this chart?
I don't know what's that chart, man.
What the F is this garbage, man? Oh my god. XCN got cooked on all exchanges. Okay, so look. So shared it before. Look, below this level, don't touch it, man. Really. Let it close a weekly candle above this level, or a daily above it, hold it. Then you have yourself a reversal, a double bottom. As long as it's not closing, it can be in a bear market. This could be just a little dead cat bounce inside of a nasty bear market. Okay, bro. This was your top. That could be a lower high inside a mega bear market. Could be. So you don't want to F with the bear market. So just wait for this range to break out. That will signal maybe another bull run for XCN. And obviously, if you want to get notified on the XCN trade once it's triggered and not watching it like, yourself and wait for my signal, join our community, man. Join our VIP. Get all our trade alerts, all our market updates. Become a professional trader and investor. Learn how to invest in gold. Learn how to invest later in the stock market. Learn how to invest in Bitcoin once it completes its bear market like a pro. DCA into Bitcoin like a pro. Learn how to short a bear market, long a bull market. Man, join the membership. Learn how to dineros. Learn how to take dineros from the market consistently.
Yeah, man.
Check it out.
For sure. Look, I have something. Look, I have a good analogy here, because all these people that are asking us about, specific coins, what do we think about coins? What do we think about the future and whatever, right? So, guys, you need to understand this. The way CM and I, the way we trade, okay, is not opinion based pre-hand, right? So think about it like this. Let's say you play poker, and most people know how to play poker. That's why I'm using that analogy, right? So, and you get your cards. You don't have a flop. You don't have a river. You don't have it. Who gave that? Oh, Nico. Thank you very much, Nico. Because of the funny CM. It's true. CM is funny. So when you get your cards, you get two cards, right? If it's a Texas Hold'em, right? So you don't know what are the 5 cards that you're going to see. So you can't ask someone, okay, hey, what do you think about the future of your cards? You can only from a probabilistic standpoint, you can say, hey, look, I have a double aces, I have these chances, whatever. Now, each card that is flipped, okay, then the player understands better the probability of his hand to win or to lose, right? The same thing in trading, okay? When we look at a chart, when we look at price action, we can understand, on a level, first of all, if it's anywhere near something that we can actually try to engage with. If not, we ditch it. We don't even care about it. We don't even look at it until at one point, maybe we start getting cards on it, and then we put it on a focus list or a watch list. And each time, each candle, right, of price action that is being printed, then we can see again from a probabilistic standpoint whether it's getting closer or far more further away from an entry point, for example, where we want to put money, as a bet, let's call it. Okay, so we don't know the future. No one knows the future. That's not how trading and investing works. Okay, you need to work in an uncertain environment, and the way to do that is having as much certainty in your own strategy, tactics, discipline, and so on and so forth. And that's why, when you ask us about coins, yes, we can tell you, hey, we can say, hey, we're not even looking at it. Hey, low probability. Hey, this doesn't even interest us. Or, hey, maybe this is a little bit more in the future. Or maybe sometimes, hey, this is getting closer, because that's how we operate. Okay, that's how we operate from a professional standpoint. And again, as CM said, if you want to, listen more, hear more, and invest in yourself a little bit, better to understand this, because this is teachable. Okay, and again, all these videos or the show is from educational standpoint. This is not financial advice. It's all pure education. But in the membership, we give daily updates and as well how we do things, so you can go with our trades. And that's where education meets execution also. So consider doing that and joining us for sure. What else do we got, CM?
We got amazing time to wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Share this live on your X, share it on your YouTube, like, subscribe, give us some love, cook the like, cook the bell. See you in the next video. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.